So hello all. Now let's move on to next question. Question number 10. So question number 10th is, if the sum of first p terms of an AP is equal to, question number 11th we have to do. Question number 10th we have already completed. Sum of first p, q and r terms. So SP is equal to A, SQ is equal to B, and SR is equal to C. So this is given, right? So SP means P upon 2, 2A plus n minus 1 D, right? 2A plus n minus 1 D. Okay, let's take it A1, right? A1 plus n minus 1 D is equal to A. SQ means Q upon 2 bracket में 2A plus 2A1 plus Q minus 1 D is equal to B, and SR means R upon 2, 2A1 plus this R minus 1 D is equal to C, right? So these are three equations we have got, right? So these equations will involve, if I say from here, we can say 2A plus n minus 1 D is equal to 2A upon P. From here we can say 2A1 plus Q minus 1 D is equal to 2B upon Q. From here we can say 2A1 plus R minus 1 D is equal to 2C upon R, right? So let it be first equation, this be second equation, and this be third equation, right? So if I subtract second from 1, so second minus 1, this will give 2A1 plus Q minus 1 D minus 2A1 plus n, this is P minus 1 D is equal to 2B upon Q minus 2P 2A upon P, right? So 2A1 plus Q minus 1 D minus 2A1 minus P minus 1 D is equal to 2B upon Q minus 2A upon P. So this from this get cancelled. So QD minus D minus PD plus D is equal to, taking LCM, PQ 2BP minus 2AQ, right? So now what do we have? D from D get cancelled, taking D common, Q minus P, right, is equal to 2BP minus 2AQ upon PQ. This implies D is equal to 2BP minus 2AQ upon PQ bracket Q minus P, right? Or simply if we take common, minus sign common, so this will be 2AQ minus 2BP upon BP upon PQ, minus sign common, so P minus Q, right? So this is D, right? Again, if I subtract equation 3 from 2, 2 from 3, P minus 2, so this will be 2A1 plus RD minus D minus 2A1 minus QD plus D is equal to 2C upon R minus 2B upon Q, right? So D to D get cancelled, 2A1 get cancelled, so RD minus QD is equal to RD minus QD is equal to, now taking this common, just one second, taking this LCM, so this will be RQ 2CQ minus 2BR right? So taking D common, R minus Q is equal to 2CQ minus 2BR upon RQ, right? So this implies D is equal to 2CQ minus 2BR upon RQ bracket R minus Q, right? So this is what we got, another D, right, from this equation. So next, if I take minus sign common from both the sides, so D is equal to 2BR minus 2CQ upon RQ, Q minus R, right? So let it be equation 4, this be equation 5. Now equating equation 4 and 5, what do we have? So if I equate equation 4 and 5, so we will have equation 4 is equal to equation 5, right? So let's equate the values. So we have AQ, 2AQ minus 2BP upon PQ bracket P minus Q is equal to 2BR minus 2QC upon QR Q minus R, right? So taking 2 common and cancelling it, so this will be equal to AQ minus BP upon PQ bracket P minus Q is equal to BR minus QC upon Q minus R, right? So now let's cross multiply it. So okay, QR, Q to Q get cancelled, so AQ minus BP bracket R bracket Q minus R is equal to P minus Q BR minus QC, right? So this we have so far. So this will be AQR minus BPR bracket Q minus R is equal to PBR minus PQC bracket P minus Q, right? Now dividing both sides by PQR. So if I divide both sides by PQR, so AQR upon PQR minus BPR upon PQR, right? Q minus R is equal to PBR upon PQR minus PQC upon PQR P minus Q, right? So R to R cancel, Q to Q cancel, A upon P minus B upon Q minus R is equal to B upon Q minus C upon R P minus Q, right? So this we have so far, right? So now if I separate this, A upon P multiply by Q, A upon P bracket Q minus R minus B upon Q bracket Q minus R is equal to B upon Q bracket P minus Q minus C upon R bracket P minus Q, right? So if I bring everything here on right hand side, so this will be A upon P Q minus R. Now taking B upon Q common, so minus B upon Q common, so Q minus R, this will be also minus B upon Q, so plus P minus Q, right? Minus C upon R, sorry, this will be plus C upon R P minus Q, right, is equal to 0. So Q to Q get cancelled, so A upon P bracket Q minus R minus B upon Q bracket P minus r, p minus r. Oh, okay, if I take common this r minus p, it will be r minus p. If I take minus sign common outside, so r minus p plus c upon r bracket p minus q is equal to 0. So this is what we have to prove. So hence proved. So it was a lengthy question. So this is how we have done this. Next is question number 12. So in question number 12, the ratios of sums of m and n terms of an AP. So Sm upon Sn is equal to m square upon n square. Show that the ratio of mth and nth term. Okay. So Sm value is m by 2, 2a plus m minus 1 d upon n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 d is equal to m square upon n square, right? So and this 1 by 2 to 1 by 2 get cancelled, right? And m to this m cancel, n to this n cancel. So this will be 2a plus m minus 1 d upon 2a plus n minus 1 d is equal to m upon n, right? Now what we can do, just putting m is equal to 2m minus 1 and n is equal to 2n minus 1, right? We obtain, so just put m is equal to 2m minus 1 and n is equal to 2n minus 1. Put m minus 1 and n is equal to 2n minus 1, right? So if I put it here in this, 2a plus 2m minus 1 minus 1. Why we are doing it? Because we want to generate out, we have to take out 2 common, right? This will be d upon 2a plus 2n minus 1 minus 1. So it does not make any difference because in both the sides we are changing m, putting m value as 2n minus 1, 2n minus 1. Now 2a plus 2m minus 2 d upon 2a plus 2n minus 2 d is equal to 2m minus 1 upon 2n minus 1. So RHS we have got, so this we have to simplify, taking 2 common. So a plus m minus 1 d upon 2 common, a plus n minus 1 d is equal to 2m minus 1 upon 2n minus 1. 2 to 2 get cancelled. A plus m minus 1 d is mth term, or we can say am upon an is equal to 2m minus 1 upon 2n minus 1. This is our answer, hence proved. This is how we have done. Next is question 13. If the sum of n terms of an AP is 3n square plus 5n, sum of n terms Sn is equal to 3n square plus 5n, and Sm and its mth term, so am. So am is equal to 164. So we have to find out the value of m. Now we have to find out the value of m. So let's, okay, so am is equal to a plus okay, let's do it now. So here n is already used, so let b is equal to common difference, right? Because we cannot take n as number of terms. Okay, let's do it now. So Sn n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 d, right? So n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 d is equal to 3n square plus 5n, right? So if I take n common, right? So n to n will get cancelled and 2 there that side. So 2a plus n minus 1 d is equal to we have 3 multiplied to 6n square, 6n plus 5 multiplied 2 is 10, right? this we have got, because n we have already cancelled, right? So 2a plus nd minus d is equal to 6n plus 10, right? Better let's compare the coefficients, right? Simply let's compare the coefficients. So this will be 2an upon 2 plus nd minus d, so n square d upon 2 minus nd upon 2 is equal to 3n square plus 5n, right? So 2an upon 2 is an plus an minus nd upon 2 plus n square d upon 2 is equal to 3n square plus 5n, right? So on comparing coefficients, so we have n square coefficient is d upon 2, so d upon 2 is equal to 3, so d is equal to 6, right? So d upon 2 is equal to 3, so d is equal to 6. Similarly, on comparing that coefficient, so n coefficient, so we have a minus d upon 2 is equal to 5, a minus 6 upon 2 is equal to 5, a minus 3 is equal to 5. So this implies a is equal to 3 plus 5, 8. So a value is 8, d is 6. Now am is given, so am is equal to 164. So a plus m minus 1, d is equal to 164. So a value is 8 plus m minus 1, d is 6 is equal to 164. So m minus 1, 6 is equal to 164 minus 8 is 156. So m minus 1 is equal to 156 divided by 6. 6 2 times 12, 6 6 times 36. So this implies m is equal to 26 plus 1, 27. So m value is equal to 27. So 27 is our answer, right? So m is 27, right? So this is all about question number 13. So in the next video we will be discussing remaining questions related to am, arithmetic mean. So first we will discuss what is am, and then we will go for the questions. Thank you for today's video.